Breast reduction surgery. Women who have large, heavy breast, sagging breast with underbreast infection, shoulder pain, heaviness, lumpiness, all want reduction in the size of the breast. The best procedure recommended to reduce the size of the breast would be breast reduction surgery. Some women are recommended to undergo liposuction. However, I do not recommend liposuction for reducing the size of a heavy breast. Why? Because after you remove the fat, already sagging breast could sag further and appear floppy. It is not going to aesthetically improve the appearance of the breast. Hence, for large heavy breast, to reduce the size, the best option would be a breast reduction procedure. Now, before surgery, we advise women to undergo either a mammogram or an ultrasound to identify any precancerous lesions or lumps. Then they are advised to do some blood tests to assess fitness for surgery. After this is done, usually at Tamira, a breast reduction surgery is done as a daycare procedure. You can do the procedure and leave the town city within 2 days. The procedure is done for about 3 to 4 hours. You've been advised to wear a special supportive bra after the procedure and you're discharged the same day. So the surgery is done under general anesthesia for a duration of 3 to 4 hours, after which we observe you to recover from anesthesia for about 6 to 8 hours and then discharge you late in the evening. What you need to know about breast reduction surgery is that you will have a permanent scar on your breast after breast reduction surgery. The scar will be around the areola or the black area of the breast, and from there will be a straight line scar extending to the underbreast. If it's not a very big breast, this scar, which is around the areola and extending from that to the underbreast, is called a lollipop scar and we restrict only to the scar. However, if you have a huge breast, like you have a bra cup size, a double D or beyond that, then you may need what is called an anchor scar, which means you will have a lollipop scar with also a scar on your underbreast. These scars will be permanent on your breast for the rest of your life. They will be lightened and the color, the thickness can all be reduced. However, there will be a permanent scar throughout your life. Now, post-surgery, we normally do not leave a drain, but sometimes some surgeons do leave a drain, which is removed after a couple of days. However, the recovery period extends for about 2 weeks, during which time, if you have some sutures that are to be removed, which will be placed around the areola, and they are removed after 8 days and 12 days. However, most of the time we put sutures which are absorbable, especially if somebody wants to leave the city within 48 hours, then we advise all absorbable sutures and so the patient can leave after 48 hours. So, breast reduction surgery is a daycare procedure. Patient can leave the city after 2 hours, can resume normal activity after 2 weeks and will have a permanent scar. These are the important things that you need to know after breast reduction surgery.